So which one should come first? Is it a personal, is it a selfish interest, or wait, or a communal interest first? Thank you. Rather, you finish your house, sold it, and moved on. What we're doing to naturally, there is a channel here. In the 1990s, Lagos State government left these alignments all the way. Everybody met that alignment. Everybody. It is not in dispute. I mean, what we ought to have done is to leave it the way it is. Because government did that thing to favor whatever you're going to do in the future. 20 years down the line, complaints came from the community here that they're being flooded. Get 12 clinical excision village, that they were moved from Maroko, they were brought into the swamp. Okay, fine. It's not a swamp. There's supposed to be something that will take care of your situation. Lo and behold, we got here, construction all the way, encroachment. Okay, fine. We mentioned you've been encroached. We identify all the encroachment. What do we do? Okay, if you want to, one person can't solve it, not government, because we didn't cause the illegality. So it has to be you, the culprit. Well, we called all stakeholders, but they couldn't agree.
We were in your office.
Perspective only. I'm here as a government or as an individual. So I'm here to now implement the original plan that was done decades ago, before all these contraventions took place. So if we can't get agreement from every stakeholder, one stakeholder is not enough to agree with us. That's the situation. That's why we're here.
Can I just make a response, sir? Sorry, sir. If just one, sir.
Madam, excuse me.
Sorry, sir.
We won't stretch, we won't overflow this matter.
No, but
Listen.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Did you encroach on the alignment for the canal? Is there an encroachment? Yes or no?
Severally, there
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I'm a lawyer. So
I know. I know.
Give you the courtesy of
I know.
being a public servant.
I know.
Was there an alignment set back for this canal part?
Yes, sir.
So Ikota River? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, were notices served on these people to abate these nuisance they've caused? Yes or no?
When the notices
Excuse me, there were sad notices. 3 years down the road, government will not wait for people to take the loss to their hand and still benefit from it. Excuse me. This demolition started from that point. Yes, and I won't wait here because people are a bit emotional about it. No.
I'm not saying.
Okay, excuse me. I will take this whole thing down to Ikota River. Heaven will not fall. I'm being very honest with you. The people that own these ones that were demolished, they don't have one head. You guys don't have two heads. We are all citizens, and people have contravened on the law. And it's still this brazen attitude of we can do it, we can get away with it, and nothing will happen. That is why we are where we are today as a people. The mantra is simple: you can't put something on nothing, and illegality can never beget legality. If you build on an illegal part, this is what they have done all this place. It's illegal. The worst part of it was at a point here they closed the canal totally, and you saw it yourself. You saw the drone shot. So now, I didn't just start the enforcement today. I started 2 days ago, and I brought down people's properties for being on the alignment. On what basis will I now leave your own?
Sorry, sir. If I may come in now, sir. Thank you so much.
Narrowed down by who?
So, and they say they don't know, they didn't see. So anyway, the issue there is
the canal part. This was where we are. This is where you guys narrowed it into what?
the 3-meter drain, not even a canal. So barrister, really and truly, like you said, you see, madam, solution to environmental issue is not localized.
Thank you,
Yes, sir.
The canal goes all the way to Ikota River.
Yes, sir.
We came here with 4
The entire building is on the canal. This entire building, the whole line, straight down to Mobile Road. Exactly why they're exploring Mobile Road. The entire building here, this line is physically constructed on the canal.
Yeah, they now did this bridge straight. This is the road. So you come all over. Everything on the back of the canal is back.
Starting from, I'm gonna start from both ends. That end is
Madam, you swing yourself. Yes, sir.
Madam, these are intentional discussions. You can see
What they do.
these are intentional discussions. Be honest, madam. Be honest with yourself. If you were called to adjudicate, you see a natural belt, you see what was on that, even out of this place. Is it that you're taking the public route around the personal business? What you have seen on those far?
Just like I can do, sir. In all totality. When is an infringement of the law?
So, you know, even when it's a
When
criminal,
you break the law,
yes,
can you be reconciliatory about it?
I'll go with a very small word.
yes, sir.
You see, when you have to make a question, I kept quiet.
Yes, sir.
Honestly,
Well,
you
I
know,
asked them because can you be reconciliatory when you break
No, we can only
the law?
appeal.
The law.
We can only appeal for lesser punishment.
That's what I'm saying from That is gone. That was 3 years ago. Madam, what you are listening to?
Yes, I hear you,
We
sir.
work this part together. Let me now tell you why I think it will work.
Okay, sir.
I will take the public bill. Okay, sir. The oath I took was fair to all myself, without fear of favor.
Yes, sir.
Now, this enforcement started not this morning.
so,
And let us send a very strong signal that the government
Everybody.
is not going to be partial towards anybody.
yes.
It's very sad what we are seeing.
When I broke this,
Take your commission both sides and take it to your lagoon. And
take down. Just
take
cut
it
it
down.
out. All about Agoro.
Take this down. Take it this space to your
Oh,
lagoon.
these are original line. This one is the original VGC.
Yes,
And
then
just take it there.
It's about 3 meters, so we still need to.
Whatever is there, just
take
take
it complete. No partiality, please. Please, I don't want to. I repeat.
gbogbo tó mú ìrìnkè wílé gan ju wílé nǹkan mú.
6
And
meters.
restore it to what it used to be, please.
6 meters.
So we'll come back here the next 2 weeks, max.
Yes, sir.
I want to see John.
These 3
Identity.
properties.
You know what to
yes,
do to the end.